Hey guys, we received this FEATOL anti-fatigue mat for the kitchen floor mat or any other purpose or the stand-in decks. So you can see it's a memory foam 2 pack and it's made of really nice heavy material. You can see it here. Let me just open it and show it to you. So there's a pack of two, so there are two pieces and it's a good memory foam. So you can see the quality here. It's soft and then hard and then grip base, so that will not skid. So really nice size mat here. So you can use it for various purpose. I will say like it's just not for the kitchen, but then for your stand-in decks or wherever you want to stand for some time. This will give you a good comfortable base to stand on. So for the corner and the side also, like it's have this curved thing. So that's good for like any water spill or stuff. And let's say like if you stand on it, you will feel like really comfortable grip. So you can just change in your size, just put in your feet. So really nice, comfortable, soft grip. And looks nice on the floor as well. And you can just stand and use for the long time and things. So nice mats.